Hello, once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. The EVIL Speculator is back again. Let me ask a question, and hypothetical, if you will. If 90% of speculators lose their money in the markets, then how can the speculator be the cause of all the problems that are going on in the economy and the world and everything else? I'll leave that with you for our food of thought and your 2 cents. And to comment on, is it 10% that's left? Are they the ones driving the whole market? Seriously. Really? No way. Well, anyway. So I just thought that was an interesting concept. I was thinking in my right brain. So you're looking at me reverse, right? This is my left side over here and my right side here. So since I'm left-handed, I'm thinking in my right brain, which is the creative side of my head. And I was thinking about that when I was doing some studying today. And I came across some oldie but goodie information that I want to share with you. Now, last time I left off, we talked about the pyramid shape like this, right? We talked about that particular area where you want to take on kind of like that cornerstone that we talked about there, to be able to move your cornerstone into your most profitable position. If you believe point A is the most profitable position that you can get to according to your trading plan and trading system, then I would argue that you should take on your, maybe not your largest position if you have volatility factor that you need to factor into your trading, but you need to take on a position that is according to your account size as well at that position, and then decrease your contract exposure as that particular trade moves in your favor. Obviously, the old adage is cut your losses short and let your profits run, but I'd like to add a little component to that. I think that personally, when you think about this triangle that I put in front of you, that the way that I like to explain it is that you need to let your profits run, obviously, but take profits on the ride. So as the market moves in your favor, you want to continue to take profits. So at the top of this pyramid shape, where the branches are the weakest, in other words, if you think about a tree, the trunk of a tree, and then as it spreads out its branches, and then the branches turn into twigs and so forth. As that moves out and then twigs have the leaf, as it gets up to the top of this, and as you move the tree branches, the branches that are the weakest are the ones that are out in the extreme. So therefore, just like the pyramid shape, you should be in your shortest part of your trade position, or I guess in other words, let's say that you were trading 5 contracts, and the rabbit part or the runner part of this trade is perhaps 1 contract of those 5. So being able to go for the fences with that particular trade is probably, most likely, in all intents and purposes, the way to trade. And that's also to be able to keep you in the theory of letting your profits run, because frankly, most traders take their profits too soon in a trade, and they stay in way too long on the loss side, where they allow themselves to blow their account up. I would argue that the 90% of the traders that are failing only need the experience to get them into the 10% category. Or if the other side of the experience is finding a mentor or coach or someone that you trust, know, like, and trust, I like to say, to guide you along this path. Now I say this to make a point here, that our Knights of the Round Table priced it is listed on, and I don't want to pressure you to join. I mean, we're going to offer it again in September, but the price will be higher. And this year, the way we have envisioned this particular product is that we've just pretty much looking at the Knights of the Round Table as a membership, and we'd like to develop what I would like to call an elite membership out of this website. So and then through our trading room and through our membership area and so forth. Anyway, so I leave you with those thoughts today here. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, once again bringing you another installment of the evil speculators. So I leave you with, if 90% of speculators lose money in the markets, then how are they driving the market if they're always wrong? So is the 10% the ones that have, I guess that goes back to the theory, right? 1% has all the wealth in the world, right? So I guess if you want to be mad at somebody, be mad at the 1% wealthy that are moving the markets. They're the ones that are moving the markets. Things that make you go, We'll see you on our next installment here. Take care. Have a blessed day. God bless you. And we'll see you soon on the next video. Bye now.